Hello, Edward. My name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Logo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with Janelle recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently. And she was nice enough to pass along your information so that we can show how Phillips Home Improvements stacks up to its competition. Now, in this video, I'll go over a few specifics on your website, search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the two things that I'm going to go over today are website content and optimization and backlinking. Now, content is going to be anything on your website as far as text goes, as well as text within your images and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you want it to be stuffed with high buyer intent keyword or keyword phrases. Now, one tool that we use to measure keywords as well as backlinking and overall site health is a tool called Ahrefs. You may or may not be familiar with it. I went ahead and plugged in your home page, and as you can see, you have 166 referring domains. These are websites pointing back to you over 1,000 times. These are your backlinks. Now, the thing that I actually wanted to focus on for this portion of the video is your keywords. Now, you are getting a lot of organic traffic to your website. And upon first glance of these statistics, I thought to myself, hey, that's actually not too bad. Y'all are a larger company, meaning you have more services to offer. So I would kind of expect you to have more traffic because you offer more services and you have a pretty expansive service area. So once I clicked on the keywords that you're actually ranking for, it actually told a little bit different story. So the top, or about 70% of the volume that's going to your website is going to be for keywords that are related to your business name. And so as you can see here, you have Phillips Home Improvements, Phillips Gutters, Phillips Windows, so Phillips, which is excellent for returning customers and just brand awareness. It's your name, it's your company, you should own that brand online as well as anywhere else. And so you're definitely doing that. So anytime someone types in Phillips Gutters or Phillips Home Improvement, you are the first thing that pops up, and that's a great thing. Now, what's not so great for that is the fact that you're not really targeting any keywords for those buyer intent users that are online searching for a home improvement provider. And the way that you get that is through keywords that are location specific. You actually don't have any that you're targeting or that you're ranking for, at least at the top. So it's going to be things like bathroom remodel Dallas or remodeling contractors Dallas. So you'll notice that there's a location in there. It's a specific type of service that people are wanting. And these are going to be the customers that visit your site and end up becoming a new client. So that was the first thing that I really noticed where you could definitely strive and expand your search volume, because there is a lot of people searching for your services in the greater DFW area. It's a matter of finding the right keyword to target and driving them to your website. So because you have such an expansive number of services that you offer, going back to your website, you're already kind of doing it by separating out these your different services on your navigation panel here. And so what you would want to do is on your home page, you actually want it to be geared towards the top 12 to 15 keywords that are ranking or that have the highest search volume in the DFW area. That way, when those are being searched, it drives them to your homepage, and then you can kind of guide them along from that point. So once they get to your back pages or your service pages, then you can provide more details, and you actually would want to kind of target keyword specific items in your back pages as well. For example, this exterior house painting, there is some search volume for that. So you'd want to rank for that on this page so that it takes people directly to this page. You already have the calls to action in place. So you can customize these for each of your services. That is the glaring thing that really stood out to me about your website, is that it is an excellent website. It's beautifully done, well organized. It's just not targeting the right keywords to drive new business to it. Now, one thing that you have to pair alongside that is a solid backlink profile, which you're getting there. You have, I believe, over 1,000 backlinks from 166 domains, but you definitely will need more because of the area that you're trying to target. So I would not be surprised if this 439 with proper keywords and optimization on your website to jump to 600, 700, 800, maybe even 1,000. For example, one of your top competitors, at least online, DFW Improved, has over 6.4 thousand backlinks from over 2,000 referring domains, and their organic traffic is 2.6 thousand. And that's again, these are on a monthly basis, so they're getting 2.6 thousand visitors to their site per month. Now, this number is inflated. If you look at their keywords, they have a few mixed in there that are not necessarily buyer intent, but a lot of them are. So DFW Improved, obviously that's their name. They're getting 270 just from that. Also, some of these non-location specific keywords where it's just bathroom remodel instead of bathroom remodel Dallas, Texas, you'll see they have a volume of 85,000. And that's because it's a national keyword. That means that people all over the country are searching for that. So that's not necessarily the best when you're trying to lock down a client that's in the Dallas area, for example. So a lot of theirs are like that. However, they are still ranking #1 for many of these. #1 in Dallas, Texas home remodeling. #1 in let's see, there was another one. Yeah, home remodeling Dallas, Texas. So they're getting a lot of that buyer intent traffic going to their website. So just something I wanted to show you, that's essentially what you would want to be striving for. You definitely want to keep your name and keep all those, returning customers if they Google your name to, pop up first. But in order to drive new traffic to your website, that's what you would want to do. So I hope that this video was informative for you, and thank you so much again for watching. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further, please do reach back out to Megan at 210-865-0718. Thank you.